Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to connect Printful to Squarespace. First, you want to be logged into Printful and your Squarespace store. With them together, we'll be able to seamlessly connect. So in Printful, we will go to Stores and we will go to Choose Your Store's Platform. From here, we'll find the Squarespace platform and click Connect. Now we will click Connect here, and this will take us to select the site. We will have our permissions for connecting Printful to Squarespace, what it will use, who we're logged in as, and the site name, and then click Allow. So here with us already signed in, we can click Continue and connect store to the email address. So now we can add products to this store from Printful.